G. I'm back today with another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So I redid my daughter Mackenzie's room. She just turned 9 this year, and it's fun watching her turn into a little teenager. She has ideas of her own, and she has a very unique style. So she came to me and told me that she was ready to redo her bedroom. So what we did was we sold all of her furniture on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, and we made about $450. We took that money, we did some DIYs, we revamped existing artwork, purchased a bunch of stuff from Amazon, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, all those fun places, and we just created a beautiful space for her. It's full of rainbows, unicorns, it's very colorful. Guys, it's just a gorgeous room, and it made me feel so good when she said, "Mommy, I love my room." Like, I swear to God, like tears welled up in my eyes. It just made me feel really, really good to see her happy and to see her really, really love the space that she helped to create. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking, guys. Let's get right into this room reveal. so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.